Hey, this is Navanita from Golden Lion. In today's video, I will walk you through how you can leverage Zoho One suite of applications for your professional services business. But before we get started, let's take a look at the primary business processes that you need to manage to run your professional services business. At a high level, if you have to segregate your areas of operations, you could put them under pre-sales, delivery, post-delivery, and community outreach efforts. Within pre-sales, you have to manage lead capturing, lead nurturing, appointment management, sales funnel management, proposal generation, and invoicing. As part of your delivery processes, you need to take care of project management and timesheet generation. In the post-delivery stage, capturing customer feedback and offering amazing support to them becomes super critical. And as part of your community outreach programs, you need to organize and manage different events perhaps. In our experience, most professional service businesses use somewhere around 5 to 7 tools to manage these processes. If you too are in a similar situation, I have good news for you. With Zoho One suite of applications, you can run your business from one place. Let's see how. As a business, the first thing you need to do is to capture leads. While there could be many channels for getting your leads, your website is perhaps the most important one. Now, on your website, you could have live chat application that enables you to answer questions instantly and capture inquiries. This Sales IQ chat widget lets you do just that. What more, you can build a chatbot on top of Sales IQ that works as a 24/7 virtual agent and answers the frequently asked questions. Another way your website users could leave their inquiry is via the web form. Both the live chat or chatbot and the web form push the data directly into CRM. And you can auto-assign the lead to the relevant pre-sales team member depending on location or project type. Once the lead lands into your CRM, you can now take it out and start the nurturing process. In most professional services business, you would have multiple touch points and need to set up meetings to understand the requirement further, create a solution, demonstrate the solution, and finally table a proposal. So the moment the lead reaches your CRM, the system sends out a welcome email with a link where your prospect can select a convenient date and time for an online or offline session. You can predefine your available meeting slots here, and once they schedule a meeting with you, you can send them the meeting invite with the meeting link for an online session. After the meeting, you can take note and update which all services they are interested in. In the next stages, you can follow the step-by-step blueprint here that guides your team members on the next action point and lets them take notes, inputs, etc. in one place. These stages can be modified to suit your particular business process. Now, once you have enough information, you would possibly like to generate a detailed proposal and share the same with your prospect. This template pulls dynamic information from the record level and creates a proposal in a Ziffy. You can further edit the proposal if needed and send it directly to the prospect or via Zoho Sign for a digital signature. And you can do it with just one click here. Once your prospect agrees to the proposal here, you can generate the invoice right from the CRM itself. Here, you would be using Zoho Books invoice feature, which is integrated with the CRM. In case you take part payments on your invoice, you can capture that from here as well. The moment the invoice status changes to paid, the system can automatically create a project within Zoho Projects. You can create different projects templates with milestones and tasks. The system can populate the right template depending on the project type. As the project progresses and your delivery team mark tasks and milestones as completed, you can monitor it right from the CRM console itself. Once the project is delivered, it is time to capture customer feedback. This too you can do right from the CRM console with just one click. Your customer's feedback lands in the CRM as well, making it super easy for you to review. As a professional services business, your job does not end with project delivery, does it? Often you have to offer support to your customers, and the quality of the support dictates your relationship with that account and any repeat business. Using Zoho Desk, you can manage this. You can create a beautiful self-service portal that offers information to educate your customers and let them raise support tickets should they need further help. The support tickets can be auto-assigned to the relevant team member and can be viewed right from the CRM console itself. So this is how you can manage your entire pre-sales, sales, delivery and post-delivery processes for your professional services business with Zoho One. And if you organize any community outreach events, you can manage it via Backstage. Let's take a look. So all your events can be managed in Backstage here. You can quickly create an event and design a landing page for marketing it. For paid events, you can integrate a payment gateway of your choice and manage event tickets from here. So this is how you can leverage the true power of Zoho One to manage and scale your professional services business. If you are interested in creating an integrated solution for your professional services business, then it's time for an expert consultation. Visit our website www.jlionconsulting.com and schedule a date and time when we can talk. Once you schedule the session, we will have an 1-hour no-obligation online consultation where our Zoho One experts will understand your requirement and craft a solution that your business deserves. And if you want to know more about our experience and expertise, all you have to do is to visit our testimonials and case studies pages, and you can see what our customers have to say about us. I'll give the links in the description below. Go ahead, schedule a meeting today. I'm super excited to meet you.